I think it's important to teach student engagement in math by using what they don't know in a sense of complete sentences. So yeah, we deal with a lot of non-English speakers, and when you actually teach them about vocabulary and teach them, okay, it's not just 8, like 8 what? And I try to trick them, like 8 monkeys, 8 cookies. Like, you know, if you're really going to say that in a bank, like, you know, use what you already know to answer your question, because states testing they're tricky. So when you kind of link ELA and math in one, then that helps both in our EL standards, where, my average of cookies per day were this many, like 12 cookies on average per day, and you have them repeat that over and over again and have them repeat those answers so that it's not just 8, it's not just 12, it's those numbers mean something in math. So what do they mean and why do they mean that? Anything I would like you to know about teaching math at AMS is understand your students before, because some of them might need a little bit more work or explanation. So a lot more student engagement is necessary, and teach them what student engagement is. Like, what does talking with your peers look like? What does answering a math question in a complete sentences, and actually teach them how to communicate so that they can use it for the rest of their life. Like, I can say that as many times as I want, or as I can, that math is everywhere, and if that communication is not there, then it's going to take you a long time for them to understand math. My favorite teaching memory is when students say, I learned this before but never got it, and now I finally understand what it is. That is my favorite part. Gives me this serotonin for the rest of the year to keep me going, even when times are super tough.